In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover your 1Password account, a crucial skill if you ever find yourself locked out of this vital tool. Let's get started by heading over to the 1Password website. Open your favorite web browser and type in 1password.com into the address bar, then hit enter. It's important to ensure you're on the official site to protect your security. Once you're on the 1Password homepage, you'll notice various options along the top. Our focus today is the sign in button, so go ahead and give that a click. Now, instead of following the usual sign in process, we'll be shifting our attention to something a bit different. You're going to see an option labeled Sign in to another account. Please select that. By doing this, we're setting the stage for account recovery rather than logging in as usual. Now, the next step is crucial. Once you've clicked on that option, you'll see a few more choices. What you're looking for is the link that says having trouble signing in. Take your time if necessary, scroll through the page slowly, and keep an eye out. This step is essential because it directs you to the path of recovering your account when typical sign-in processes aren't working. Once you're on the next page, the following task is to enter your email address that's associated with your 1Password account. It's really important to use the correct email address, otherwise you might run into issues recovering your account later on. So take a moment to double check there are no typos before moving forward. After you've entered your email correctly, hit that continue button. This will start the recovery process by sending a recovery email to your inbox. Here, a little patience is required, as it might take a few moments for the email to show up. Keeping your email inbox open and occasionally refreshing it is a useful tip to ensure you catch the email as soon as it arrives. And now, for the final and very important step, checking your email. Look for a message from 1Password. If you don't see it in your primary inbox, check your spam or promotions folders to make sure it didn't get misplaced. Once you've located the email, open it and carefully follow the instructions to complete your account recovery. These steps should guide you smoothly through the process of recovering your 1Password account. It's always a smart practice to regularly update your recovery details and security settings, so if you ever need to go through this process again, it will be straightforward and stress-free. Take care and keep your digital life secure.